Right now we are going to show you how we remove a size 1 Allen Bradley contactor. Some people refer to it as a starter, and what we call it contactor or contact. And then we are going to disconnect the wires, as you see, from the normally open contact and normally closed contact. What the technician is doing is basically disconnecting them, that when he's going to remove the starter, right, I'll be using it interchangeably. So it's the same thing that I'm referring to, bear that in mind. So let me use starter as we go along for now, that you do not get confused starter and contact. So up at the top, there's a supply that would normally come from the breaker. So it is being disconnected. Each phase is 1, 2, 3, or if you want to call it ABC. And now he's disconnecting the overload wires that also goes to the starter. In order to replace or to remove the starter, we have to disconnect it from the
8 mm.
Right, using a socket. Now the aim is really to remove the starter and to put it inside another bucket, which is much larger than this. That is this one over here. That is the space that it will be fitted on. All of these that you are seeing, these overloads will be removed. And then the starter that has its own overload, which is right there. It will go along with the starter because it makes up the whole device. Alright, so everything has been removed. Wires that are to be disconnected will be disconnected. Those that you see there connect to a transformer that is beneath that section. And now that the starter has been disconnected, we are going to now replace it and install it inside the starter. New starter bucket. So it's just a 1, 2, as you would say. So we connect those back. Each phase back. Because what will happen is that when it goes there, it's going to feed the transformer. And the transformer now will step it out. This one is a 400 volt transformer to 110 volt AC. So he's already just fixing those nuts, those bolts, that it can just fit easily. Then you'll be tightening them to hold down the starter onto the tape. other bolt to hold down the starter in place. This is a socket. Driver. A ratchet handle. And the driver itself. Alright, so that is it. Alright, we'll be now removing these overload blocks that won't be necessary, because this was a forward and reverse supply, but we are now just replacing it with a regular direct on line. So you have two overloads, that was there, one was for the forward and one for the reverse. So we are just removing that in order to make space inside the starter panel. These are removed, these can be used elsewhere. Once this is removed, then we'll have more space in order to rewind. Alright, so right there now this panel is empty. And whatever spare wires that are there. Right, as you see here, this will be the supply coming from the breaker that will be connected up here. Right, and this is a current transformer that will be now regulating the current going through the field. Right, of one of the phase, and this here is connected to a meter that will be on the panel. Alright, so the only thing, we're going to just connect up these now on top. This is the supply coming from the breaker, 400 volt breaker, and it's a 7 amp breaker. Alright, so it's 400 volt 3-phase. We're connected up to each of the phases. Alright. This 1, 2, or if you want to say A, B, C, always starting from the left, you will identify them as from the left to the right. Technically taking its time, but it's sure that it is connected properly and tightly. As if there is any flat connection, then what you'll find out that it will start circuit overheating. Right? They call it single phase condition. Single phase is that one phase will end up carrying more current than the other, and that phase will then become overheated. Alright. Now with those, these are connections that we need. Normally open contact. Now with these normally open contact, they will be here for light. So either they'll show when it's motor start, when it stops. They also can be used as stop start circuit. They also can be used for other controls. To indicate control. So they are ready for control. So in the next video to follow, we will show you exactly how to wire direct online starter. So for now, this is it. The only thing that we'll show you is basically the back of the, you notice these strands that are here, these are connectors that are going to go inside of the cubicle, and when they are slammed in, these are the phases that the supply voltage will go. So when it is come onto the bar, these make contact, and then it now feeds the breaker. Right? These wires here are the ones that are connected to each of those bars, right? By means of the blades that you see at the back. And then when the breaker is turned on, then the voltage flow from here, go through the CT, which measures the amount of current going through the phase that it is connected on, and each of these are the supply phase. When you press the start button, the contactor or starter will change position from off to on, and then the voltage will flow now from the top, which is the supply or source, and go to the load side, which has the overload on it, and then these now goes out to the motor. But we will show you more as we go along. So this is all for now, guys. Continue to join us. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell that will indicate whenever we have a new video. You will see it out.